It's all remote fire, E-matched. So you get them all wired in and connected into a controller. We're getting ready for our Memorial Day kickoff weekend. But tonight we've got a special event, a tornado benefit, and we're hoping to do a fireworks show tonight over the water and raise money for tornado victims from the last tornado in Frankston a couple weeks ago. Try to give those guys a helping hand. We were planning a 1-year anniversary for our tornado event here and celebrating our recovery, and then we decided to also, within the unfortunate events a couple weeks ago in Frankston, wanted to try to reach back out to the community that helped us a year ago and try to help those guys out this go around. We've got a busy weekend, beautiful weather planned, thank goodness, but we've got live entertainment planned for on our stage, Lakeside. We've got a fireworks show tonight, live band tomorrow, and another big fireworks show on Sunday. We'll be accepting donations, and 10% of all proceeds will be going to the tornado victims as well. That's for tonight, so tonight come out and support your local community. Saturday and Sunday, we're really going to kick the summer into overdrive with the live entertainment on Saturday, and then Sunday we're going to do a blend of summer and Memorial Day. So we'll have some nice Memorial Day tribute songs with that fireworks show, and so it's definitely one you don't want to miss. The tornado event that happened last year was horrific. So a lot of families lost their homes and everything. So there are still a lot of folks still in the midst of recovery. We're not back to 100% ourselves either, but we're hoping to inspire others to at least start recovering, and you just got to keep going one day at a time. The best way to get information and updates about any of our events is to visit our Facebook page in our events section, and we keep up-to-date events, and if for some reason there's a weather delay or any updates that we need to do, we'll be posting them on our Facebook. It's LakePalestineResort.com, or at Lake Palestine Resort.